Okay, we're actually going to be trying to do what AndyAlm does, and that's forge a railroad spike knife. In there is my blower. That's a shop vac. Pipe carries it through here. This is what I'm using as a forge. This is what I call my long forge. That pipe running through there is a manifold. I've got blocks to control the area of heat. There's my manifold back there. Stretches the entire length. That way I could use this entire surface if I wanted to. As you see, I've got it blocked off. The holes let air in. Air goes into the manifold, comes out through here. And there's what we'll be using. A railroad spike. And that's what I've been using as an anvil for years. So you'll notice some things. Just a couple of blocks of steel with pretty true surfaces. There's my charcoal, lump charcoal. That over there is going to be filled with water because safety, and also I can douse water on parts of the metal I don't want to move. It's just an extra toolbox. Tool bucket. Okay. So again, we will have water, and I will be wearing clothes that are made of cotton. Why do you wear clothes made of cotton? Because they burn and turn to ash. If you wear clothes made of polyester or polyester blend, the polyester melts and sticks to your skin. Very nasty. Okay. Primarily we'll be using my cross peen. It's called the cross peen because that end goes across to the handle. And so this is just kind of the introduction. My friend Doug Gallant welded up that forge for me there, my long forge. Now you can see the manifold a little clearer. And when my daughter comes home from daycare, I'll come out here and I'll start doing this. This is just my regulator for voltage so that I can control the amount of air that comes out. Otherwise it just comes out full blast. And again, there's my air supply. I prefer a crank bellows so I didn't have to use electricity. Crank bellows are just fine, I don't have one. And again, that's just an old beat up shop vac that I inverted. Again, here's our forge. Here's the working area that we'll be using in the forge. And here's what we'll be serving as our anvil. Okay. And by the way, it's November 27th and we've got some good weather. That's why I'm out here. Alright, we're going to start up the forge. Doesn't matter how short the piece of paper is, what matters is that you don't use your lighter. You don't want your lighter in there. Wood has to get going first, then I can add the charcoal. So I don't know how much of this you're seeing. I guess you're seeing enough.